Welcome to the Stay a While Cooking Show series, Grilling and Chilling. I'm your host, Tommy Vincent, and there's always a seat at my table with your name on it. Remember, life happens at the table. Meet me there. We are making pita pizzas on the grill. And I know you may be thinking, why are we making pizza on the grill? Why not? So we have some chicken here that we've grilled. So we're going to take them off the grill and chop them up to be topping for our pizza. The sauce is going to be barbecue. We're going to have some grilled pineapples, grilled red onions, chicken, and some mozzarella cheese. This pizza is going to be outstanding. So I'm going to slice up my pineapples, get a little cooking spray. Pineapples have sweetener in them, so we know that there's going to be some sugar releasing, and so we just want to make sure that it does not stick. So we're going to add a little spray. Don't be alarmed by the fire, and we'll add these onto the grill. In addition to our pineapples, we'll add some slices of red onion to the grill, so we can start to release the natural sweetness in them as well, and also just take some of the rawness out of the onion. While these things are on the grill, we're going to go ahead and cut up our chicken so we're ready to assemble our pizzas. Let's get our pineapples flipped over. And we're not cooking the pineapples, so that's not what this is about. We are grilling them to really just enhance the natural sweetness of the pineapple. And now we can actually start building our pizzas. I'm going to move the pineapples onto the cutting board with our chicken. Let me make some space for it. So that way we have everything right at our disposal as we build our pizzas. We're going to build our pizzas, and we have our pita bread, and we have some barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is homemade, and if you're looking for a homemade recipe, you can find it at vincentcountry.com under the food tab, or you can use a store-bought barbecue sauce. So we're going to take a couple of spoonfuls. We're going to spread it around the pita, leaving some of the edge exposed. Now we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. And we'll start adding our toppings, starting with our chicken. Then we'll add our pineapples, and we'll add some red onion on top. All right, so they're ready to place on the grill. They look good enough to eat right now, but we want to melt our cheese and allow everything to come together and to get some heat onto this pita so that it softens on the inside and is nice and crispy on the outside. We're going to shut down the lid and allow for the cheese to melt and everything to come together, and you just wait. It's going to be amazing. It's showtime. Let's see what we got going. Ooh, yes. Grilled pita pizza. Easy peasy, simple recipe. Create your own toppings, but the bottom line is outside, cooking on the grill, enjoying some family time, and having some wonderful fellowship. Enjoy.